Hello everyone, welcome back into this channel. So in this video I'll let to show you the way how to change the size of the paper of your Google Documents file. How to do that? Open your Google Docs application, and the next thing you need to do is just open the files that you want to change the size of the paper. So basically this is the size of my blank or my documents right now. And how the way to edit the size, you just need to go click this edit button, and there will be pop up here the three small dots, and you just need to go click it, and there will be a page set up right here. Just go click the page setup, and there will be an option about the paper size, so you just need to go click it. There will be like a lot of options, just the way you use the Microsoft Word. It's just the same. They also provide you a lot of size options. There will be a letter, tablet, legal statement, executive folio, A3, A5, and so on and so on. So whenever you want to have the smallest size than A4, you can just choose the A5 here, because the A5 is the half size of the A4. So let's say I want to use it, you just need to go click it and go back into your files, and you're done. So this already changes into the A5. So that is the way, guys, how to change the paper size of your files on the Google Doc. Hopefully this tutorial today is useful for you. Thank you for watching, and I'll like to see you for the next tutorial.